Madam Speaker, I rise today in strong support of the Federal Extreme Risk Protection Order Act. Before the Emmanuel Church shooting, before the Uvalde and El Paso and Parkland shootings and so many others, shooters showed warning signs or even flat out said what they were going to do. Before many die by suicide by gun, they show warning signs that they may be a danger to themselves. In these situations, there's often evidence that something terrible is going to happen. We know it, we can even articulate it, but we're often powerless to stop it. This bill remedies this situation. This bill would help prevent individuals who pose an imminent threat to themselves or others from accessing firearms by allowing law enforcement and family members to file a court petition in federal court to temporarily block dangerous individuals' access to guns. And despite the claim that this bill invades due process rights, this is absolutely false. It's a thinly veiled attempt to prevent any and all regulations of firearms in this country. As the chairman has said, it's been found constitutional. There's a hearing before the seizure with a judge, with witnesses, testimony under oath, affidavits. Judge makes the finding. Happens all the time in domestic violence cases. These guns can be only taken away for a temporary period after a hearing with a judge who determines on balance that it's necessary to do so for the safety of the gun owner or the community. This bill is so common sense. It's historically been bipartisan. The former Republican president supported it, introduced by Senator Lindsey Graham in the Senate. So I want to thank Congresswoman McBath. You know, our Republican colleagues this morning have been talking about their passion for the Second Amendment, their devotion to the right to bear arms. If only for a moment, they show the same devotion, the same commitment to preserving the life of young people, the right to live a life free from gun violence, to be able to go to a movie theater or church or synagogue and not worry about their life and their liberty because they're gunned down by someone who shouldn't have a firearm. This is absolutely the most common sense proposal that will come before Congress on guns. Keep them out of the hands of people who are dangerous themselves. For God's sakes, vote for this bill. I yield back.